Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the Egyptian guy. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy recipe to make Aleppo chicken shawarma. This is 1 kilo of diced chicken, cut down to bite-sized pieces. You don't have to get fancy, just small bite-sized pieces. Alright, 1 kilo is about 2.2 pounds. For the spices, I have 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of allspice, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, about 2 bay leaves, 2 garlic cloves that are minced, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cups of yogurt, regular, any kind of yogurt, any kind of 2 cups of yogurt. This is about 210 grams. I also got 1 chili pepper that is diced, 1 red chili pepper that is pickled with the pickle juice in it, the juice of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. If you don't eat spicy food, you can always take out the chili powder, the spicy pepper, and the red pepper. But if you do take out the red pepper, just make sure that you put in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay, like I mentioned earlier guys, this recipe is very simple to make. I just mix all the ingredients together, heat up my skillet, and then get cooking. I'm gonna start first with adding the yogurt. My tomato paste. My lemon juice, my olive oil, spicy pepper, my red peppers that are pickled with the juice from the pickle, and all my spices. Now you can mix it with your hand. Well, I like to just use the spoon. It's a little bit cleaner. The thing about this recipe guys is that you don't need to marinate it, or you could if you want to, you can leave it up in the fridge for 24 hours. Then you heat up the skillet for 30 seconds to a minute, and then you just get cooking. Smells great already. I'll be showing you an easy recipe to make garlic sauce, and the best thing about this recipe is that it does not require a food processor. I have 6 cloves of garlic, I got the juice of 2 lemons or limes, I got half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and a cup of yogurt. We're gonna start by mixing the mayonnaise and the yogurt together. I'm gonna add my lemon juice to it, my black pepper, my salt, you can mix it all now, or you can mash the garlic or mince the garlic if you don't have one of these right here. either one will be fine. The reason I'm using 6 cloves of garlic, because at the end it is garlic sauce, guys, so I have to use a lot of garlic. I remove all the heads. And this is it, guys. That's the consistency that you're looking for. You can always adjust the salt and the black pepper. You can alternate the black pepper for white pepper if you don't want to have the black specks inside. After all, garlic sauce is supposed to be a white sauce, but since I like black pepper, I like to add the black pepper to it. This is it, guys. And this is it, guys. Served with some garlic sauce, which I'll post the link at the bottom of the video. And it smells great, tastes great. Enjoy.